Hey guys, how's it going? Selling another typewriter here. This is Quiet Deluxe, and I think it's a 1956. I'm not sure. Typewriter database. I looked it up, and it said like from 55 to 57. They made these colored models. The information's a little conflicting about the crinkle finish, which this one has, and the non-crinkle finish, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a 56, and it's in good shape mechanically. Everything works, but it's a little dirty. I wiped it down just with some water and the paint to get some of the dirt off and stuff, but yeah, it's there's some spots here on the side and on the front, and I'll try and show it in the pictures. You can't really see it too good from this angle, from this lighting, but yeah, it works good. No sticky keys or anything like that. Magic margins are all functional. It's got both of these tabs, both of the platen knobs, and I know these break a lot very often. This isn't the first one I've had. I've had a few others, and these are a problem. Usually one or more of these are broken off, but yeah, this one's intact. And so I'll give you a type sample and show you guys the alignment. This one, these newer Quiet Deluxes have a little fold up. I guess you can't really see it there. That little fold up thing, paper support. The older ones didn't have that, with the glass keys. This thing's kind of cool. You just pull it out, get the paper under there, and then it also lifts. But if you don't want to do all that, you can just pull on this thing, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let me give you a type sample, give you all the uppercase, lowercase figures and all that. All caps. Give you the numbers. And this one is nice. It does have a 1 and a 0, and on a lot of typewriters from like the 40s and the 50s, you'll see that some, they either have the 1 but they don't have the 0, or they might have a 0 but no 1, because you'd use like the L or the O. But this one has both, which is nice. These are the figures. You're gonna need to get a new ribbon for this one. I mean, you do. Anytime you're buying a typewriter, you should buy a new ribbon. And I'll pull this out and show you guys. It's got a nice clean imprint. Got so dark right there. Anyhow, you can see uppercase, lowercase, clean imprint. This is a smaller font. I think this is what they call the Elite font, which I believe is 12 characters per inch, whereas most typewriters are 10 characters per inch. But and the font on this is also a little different. The style, I forget what it's called, but it's not the same that's on most typewriters. If you look at like the which letters, like I think the F, the Q, you can just tell this is a different font. I'll try to find it and put it in the listing, what the name of it is. But it was only on these colorful Quiet Deluxes, and maybe some like other typewriters, but as far as Royals, I think it was mainly on these colored ones, which is kind of cool, because usually they just have the standard pica font, which is the 10 characters per inch. But yeah, the styling on this, it's not just the size, it's the style too. But yeah, bell works. Nice, loud, resounding bell. And magic margins, they all work. And tabs, obviously, you've got, and you can set those. That's what these guys are right here. All these little, you just push down and you slide it either way. And you can set various tabs if you're writing a screenplay or something. You can set one for like character, action, dialogue, all that stuff. This is, that button does that right there. Pops right open. And obviously this is where you change the ribbon. You can just get these. These Royals take the universal ribbons. They're like $6 on Amazon shipped. They're making a ton of them. They're not gonna stop making them anytime soon. So you don't have to worry about that. This touch control here is it'll adjust the how firm or how light you have to touch these keys. I've never really been able to feel it in any machine. Like if you go from the lightest setting over here to like the heaviest setting, it's very subtle for me, but this is functional. You can feel the spring tension. So if you want to mess around with that, by all means, find the preference that you like the best. This is the color selector for the ribbon, which it is working. And for those of you guys who don't know what that is, you might not be able to see it from here, but right now it's on the black setting. And you can see how high this comes up, this guy right here. And then if I switch it over to the red, it comes up a lot higher. So that's if you're gonna get like a 2-colored ribbon. This will hit both sides. So black and red is obviously the most common, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is the direction change lever right here. So it's winding to the left right now. If you flip it, hang tight. So just going to the left. It's not working now, I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that. At any rate, I'm pretty sure these have an auto reverse mechanism, but yeah, that's so weird. I was just doing that. So that's to the left. Oh yeah, there it is. And that's to the right. So it's kind of subtle, but so now it's winding to the left right here, and then if you just move it, that's it. Now you're gonna see it's winding over here on this side. So that does work. I knew it did. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, guys. Over here, you got the line. This is to get like single, double, triple spacing. I always keep it on single. Obviously, there's nothing broken there. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, this is going to be on eBay. So feel free to let me know. Have a good one.